Hey everyone, welcome to another video of Purple Code. Your code agent is back in service again. Today in this video, I will show you real-life examples on Java Array. I will show you how to store and retrieve data in array. And we'll also manipulate the data in the array. So, let's start this. In this example, I will show you how to store the temperature of a place for a week. Now we will find the highest temperature. Now we will find the lowest temperature. Now we will find the average temperature of the week. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel and also leave a sweet comment below. Happy coding!